Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to be working on the motorhome. We'll install actually the vent leads, okay, RV vent lead, because ours cracked pretty bad from the storm. We had hailstorm and we'll show you what happened and how it cracked, so stay with us, guys. That's what we're doing today. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our main channel, Road Mechanics, as well, guys. That thing is growing crazy fast and we have many builds there and more to come, and a big surprise soon as well. So climbing on top of the camper now, guys, so we can go do that repair. Alright guys, it's super windy today, you can check it out, and the whole RV is moving everywhere. I'm sorry if the quality of the sound is not good, even though we're using pretty good equipment. Check this thing out, guys, okay? That's what it is, so we need to fix that now. Hailstorm did that, can you imagine? And it was little hail, but what happens? Those get so sand damaged that they crack. They're so fragile, look at that. You barely touch it and it cracks. So we need to replace that thing now. So now we need to proceed with the disassembling inside the camper. Stay with us. So we're using the screwdriver now, guys. Some of them might differ depending on the style, and usually you have four screws that you will need to remove. Okay, you can see how bright it is up there now because we don't have the lid, and there is one screw in each corner. That's what we're trying to show you now. Okay, we're removing the second one. Okay, just two more to go. Okay, last one is out, and we just pull that lid out of the way. Let's see what else we need to do there. We need to remove that one that holds the handle that you turn it to go up and down. So we need to remove the screw out of it as well. Okay, just like that. I got a little bit shaky, sorry guys. And next, what we will need to do is we need to figure out how to pull that thing down somehow. So if you push towards the inside, both ends is going to come off, okay? And that's the screen for, you know, mosquitoes and things like that. Bugs don't go in the camper. So we got that thing out of the way now, and it's just the hole. So we will need to install the handle so we can open it all the way up now, so we can disconnect that linkage there. And let's go up on the roof again, get some tools with us, and see if we can remove that thing now. Okay guys, so we screwed up a little bit, and some of them are different. We can disconnect it here. This one you will have to remove. There is two screws holding the linkage on the bottom where that handle is to open it and close it. So we'll just remove those from here. We can reach them because, you know, it's a hole, so you can reach it now. And once we remove those, we should be able to pull it up and disconnect it. So let's see how that works now. Some models might have like a pin here holding, some don't. This one is just sliding out, so it's way different, this one, than the one we've seen, but it should be that procedure. Okay, you can see we just disconnected it like that, up to 2008, from 1994 I think until 2008, and now all I have to do is just pull it to the side. Okay, like that. You can see that's the broken one, and we're gonna get a new one and see what it looks like. Hopefully the video sound is good, guys, because it's crazy windy now. Okay, so all we have to do now, we need to slide it in the groove. Okay, like that, you can see, and we have to install the linkage. It goes only in a certain spot there, so you need to We need to just go to the big hole and slide it towards the back, and now we need to feed it through the hole. Yeah, okay, just we need to go underneath first and then connect it there. Okay, it looks good now, and all we have to do is install the 2 screws now. And we can do that from the inside actually, so we don't have to try to get them from here. So let's go inside the camper now. Alright guys, so all we're doing now is just installing the screws on the bottom there. Just 2 screws, and it should be fully functional after that. All we have to do is just put the screen on the bottom. And we will need to install the handle after that as well. So you have to just squish it again to get in. It's a little bit tricky, but if you squish from the back and the front side towards each other, towards the inside, it goes in. Okay, like that. And we need to install the little handle with 1 screw only. And all we have left is the bottom bracket with 4 screws, and we'll be ready. Okay, getting the last piece, that frame that holds everything there, really good. Need to make sure you get it right the way it was, because sometimes it might be confusing because it's a square thing, so it might go in different holes. And get this one tight as well. Okay guys, getting the last of it. Let's test it now, see how that thing works. Okay, close is great. Okay, let's see if it opens. Opens amazing. So that's it guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.